Hello, everyone, and welcome to the True Plan of Living. Today, we will be preparing a simple blackberry banana smoothie. Here are our ingredients. We're using 2 bananas, 1 cup of blackberries, 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey, and that is optional. Now, both bananas and blackberries are rich in antioxidants. I prefer the more spotted bananas because they have more antioxidants. All right, let's get to the instructions. You need a high-speed blender. I have the Vitamix. You're going to add the bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium. Then you're going to add the blackberries. Add your unsweetened almond milk. And you're going to add the honey. 1 tablespoon of honey, and it is optional. You can use whatever sweetener you desire. You're going to cover the blender. Make sure it's covered tightly. And you're going to turn your blender on if it's not already on. Select the smoothie option. I'm using the Vitamix. It's already programmed. And blend. Already looking delicious. And there you have it. The final product. Delicious. That looked good. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share our videos. And thanks for joining us again on the True Plan of Living. On the True Plan of Living.